We're going through some strange times.
But in moments of crisis, we get to see the best in people.
Neighbors calling on each other.
Healthcare professionals working tirelessly to save lives.
And families spending more time together.
A lot more time together. At home.
Homes are our specialty.
From inside to outside.
Foundations to roof.
Our teams are working together to help improve the health of your home.
So you can focus on the health of your family.
We understand the beautiful chaos of a home filled with a family's love.
We take great pride in helping you to maintain that.
You can trust that we'll be there when you need us for
Roofing, siding, or insulation.
Plaster, stucco, and tuck pointing.
Interior home remodeling.
electrical service.
Radon mitigation or testing.
Healthy home design.
Renovations, carpentry, cabinetry.
When you're ready, give us a call.
We'll get through this together.
Together.
Together.